Hello, Ndewo. Welcome again to the Ilu section of our channel. Today, I want to give you two powerful proverbs in Igbo language and very important. You know, like we already know, language is the tool through which people express their ideology, their culture, all right, their philosophy of life. So, these proverbs will tell you more about Igbo people and how they see life. The first one is Nwata kwọcha aka, usoro ọgaranya racha ofe. Nwata kwọcha aka, usoro ọgaranya racha ofe. That means if a child washed his hands very well, he will dine with elders. You know, this is a proverb that signifies or expresses how Igbo people value hard work. If you work hard in Igbo language and you attain success, you will be recognized. Okay, you will be recognized. So, nwata kwọcha aka, usoro ọgaranya racha ofe. All right. So, the second one is the proverb that expresses how we see life as regards, cohabitation and tolerance, and also, yes, love for each other's progress. That proverb says, "Egbe bere ugo bere, nke si ibe ya ebela nkukwa ya." Egbe bere ugo bere, nke si ibe ya ebela nkukwa ya. And that means, let the kite perch and let the eagle also perch. If one says no to the other, let his wing break. You know, that proverb was also used by Achebe in Things Fall Apart. That's exactly how we translated it into English. But it's a general proverb in Igbo language to express our value for allowing others to prosper, even as you prosper. That's why you see in Igbo land, in places where you have Igbo businessmen, you will see that there could be 5 of them selling one item or one type of product along the same line, the same street. They could be 10, 20 there. They don't mind because they believe in Ebe bere, ugo bere, nkesi beyebe. So when you are doing something and you are succeeding, we have this culture, this ideology of calling your brother to all come and also, join you to experience such progress in life. And that's why Igbo people are making progress all over the world, because one person goes there to discover something, he will call his brothers to come and also perch. Egbe bere ugo bere, nke si ibe ya ebela nkukwa ya. All right, so that's what I have for you today on the Proverbs section of our channel. Ensure that you subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so. And chebiri anyị oge ọzọ mgbe anyị ga na-ewetara gị ilu n'asụsụ Igbo. Join us next time when we bring to you proverbs in Igbo language. Ngwa nọdụ nke ọma, ka emesịa.